Is your Samsung top-load washer refusing to drain, leaving you with a soggy mess? I'm William from AppliancePartsPros.com, and today we're delving into the pesky world of drainage issues. We'll focus on the main control and the drain pump, two of the most common culprits behind a washer that won't drain. If you're new to appliance repair, don't worry. Tackling this issue is easier than you think. Let's dive into the fix and get your laundry routine back on track. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With the power disconnected, let's get started on troubleshooting your washer's drainage issue. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the console back panel. Separate the back panel from the console and set it aside. Remove the 2 screws securing the console to the rear panel, then rotate the console forward. Remove the control cover to access the main control board. Locate the black wire at connection CN1 pin 4 and the yellow wire at connection CN8 pin 3. Plug in the power cord and grab your multimeter. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could result in serious injury. Do not test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter around live electricity. Set your meter to volts AC, indicated by V with a squiggly line. Insert the probes into the located wires and start a drain and spin cycle. If 120 volts AC is not present after the lid lock engages, the main control has failed. If voltage is present, continue troubleshooting. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Cancel the cycle, wait for the lid to unlock, and unplug the power cord. Remove the back access panel. Drain any water in the unit. An easy method would be to set the drain hose down into a bucket where it sits lower than the tub, if at all possible. Disconnect the hoses from the drain pump and inspect for any clogs. If there are no clogs and the main control had a voltage reading, the drain pump assembly has failed. Since we found the drain pump assembly has failed, let me show you how to replace it. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the mounting bolts. Disconnect the wires from the drain pump. Here's the old drain pump assembly and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Reconnect the wires. Mount the drain pump assembly with the bolts we removed. Connect the hoses. Reattach the back access panel. And reinstall the control cover. And reinstall the cycle knob. Rotate the console back into position and secure it with the 2 screws we removed. Reattach the console back panel. Plug the power cord back into the outlet. With that, the repair is complete. Thank you for sticking with us through this Samsung top-load washer troubleshooting guide. If you've identified the faulty part, now is the perfect time to take your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com to order your replacement part. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you can get your appliance back in working order quickly. Once your new part is in hand, our detailed installation video guides are ready to assist you. Let us know how your repair goes in the comments below. Your feedback helps others in our community tackle similar issues. Happy repairing.